Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this video. In this video, I will explain to you how to delete your YouTube channel account or how to delete the Gmail account. Come to the laptop. Click on the Google Chrome and click on the account. Which one account you want to delete? Click on it, maximize it, and then click on the profile picture. You can see here, click on the manage your Google account option. Click on it. Click on it, and you can also sign out from here. Now you want to delete this one account. Click on this manage your Google account option, and then scroll down. This is the main page of your Gmail account. Then click on the data and privacy option. Click on it and scroll down, and you can see here delete your Google account. Click on it, and then you can see here this is the option download your data. If you can download the necessary data from here. Scroll down and take the below two option. Yes, I acknowledge that I am still responsible for any charge incurred due to any pending financial transaction, and I understand that under certain circumstances my earning would not be paid out. And also take this one option. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. And then click on the above option also. Click on both options and then click on the delete account button. Click on it, and you can see here this is the message: your Google account and all its data has been deleted. The below message is: if you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. You can also recover it if accidentally deleted your YouTube account. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to delete your Gmail account or how to delete your YouTube channel account. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.